These are my slides. Ever since I can remember, I've been tapping or drumming on something all the time. My mom says I have a natural ability. I just can't seem to stop. She says it might be due to my ancestry. You see, I apparently have Saponi ancestors. They're Native Americans. While reading my novel for Language Arts, Island of the Blue Dolphins, it got me wondering how or why there wasn't a way for the people that found the girl on the island to communicate with her. My research took me to the Native American Sequoyah. Sequoyah was born in present-day Tennessee in the years preceding the American Revolution. By the year 1809, he had spent considerable time thinking about the written forms of communication used by Europeans and the power of the written language. Sequoyah served in the U.S. Army in the Creek War of 1813. He spent time with the Americans where he learned to read and write. He wanted to be able to do this for his people also. As an adult, Sequoyah worked as a silversmith and a blacksmith. He served with the U.S. Army in the Creek War of 1813 through 14. As a result, he spent time with Americans observing how they used writing to learn and share information. He was determined to give Cherokee people the same advantage. At first, he attempted to create a pictographic system in which each symbol represents a word, but realized this would require speakers to learn thousands of symbols. After the war, he married and signed a treaty exchanging his Cherokee land, eventually settling in Alabama. There he set out to finish his writing system. He worked so obsessively that he neglected his responsibility at home and the field. His neighbors speculated that he was practicing witchcraft, and his wife grew so frustrated that she burned some of his papers, suggests author James W. Perrins from an article published called The Features of the Cherokee Syllabary. But in 1821, he finished the creation of his writing system and successfully taught his first pupil, his 6-year-old daughter, Akoya. It's a language with 86 symbols representing the sounds of the syllables as it is spoken, consisting of vowel and consonant combinations. That's why they call it a syllabary. The Cherokee language was the very first Native American language to be encoded, enabling the use and learning for future generations. If the people that found Yuana Mary Karana on the island of the Blue Dolphins, there probably would have not have been a fiction book written about her. There would have been able to write a non-fictional book telling us exactly what happened when she was left alone on the island for so many years.